Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Weebly Pro. If you're looking to unlock more features, remove Weebly branding, or simply expand your website's capabilities, upgrading to a Pro plan is a straightforward process that takes just a few clicks. Let's walk through it together. First, open your web browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're on the Weebly homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the account you want to upgrade, as this ensures you're working with the correct website and subscription. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Weebly homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can see all your sites and manage your account settings. Now shift your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find several options, but the one we're interested in is the upgrade button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is specifically designed to take you directly to the subscription plans page where you can view all available options. Once you click Upgrade, you'll be taken to the plan's comparison page. This is where you can see the different tiers Weebly offers, including the Pro plan. Take a moment to review what each plan includes. The Pro plan typically offers features like advanced site stats, premium support, password protection for pages, and the removal of Weebly ads from your site. These features are particularly valuable if you're running a professional website or small business and want to present a more polished image to your visitors. When you're ready to proceed, simply select the Pro plan by clicking on the corresponding button, usually labeled Choose or Select Plan. You'll then be guided through the checkout process where you can enter your payment information and confirm your subscription. Weebly makes this process secure and straightforward so you can upgrade with confidence. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to the upgrade section and can now select Weebly Pro to enhance your website's functionality. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.